He's cut, dude. They got him. Alright, up here. Look for chat bubbles. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's lock in. Oh, can you actually check them? Sorry, you actually can with that. Crooks, my target. Super Mag is on us. Kill Super Mag, Super Mag, Super Mag, Super Mag. They're gonna push us. Yep, yep. Hit traps, hit traps, hit traps. You know, area KD on this, area KD on this. Hit these traps, hit these traps, hit these traps. Crooks, my target. Traps and pull off, traps and pull off. Look for chat bubbles. Go around, 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 around. Spray, 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 spray. Keep pulling back, keep pulling back. My scatter around this corner. Get around this corner. Push back into him right now. Orwin. Push, everybody push back into him right now. Swap. Look for chat bubbles. Come to chat bubbles right now. Yep. You guys are doing the right thing. Spray. Let's stabilize. Vesna, my target. Vesna. Stabilize. I need a net trap somewhere. Hachiman, my target. Hachiman. Look for chat bubbles. We're coming over here. Remus, right here, Remus. Give me up. Give me a run. Any run. My target, Chris. Press assist. Get distance. Keep running. Super Mag right here. Keep running around. Give me high yield if you can. Stay on my target. Hachiman, my target. Hachiman is rooted right here. Dude, Hachiman is so overcommitted right now. Hit Hachiman right now. Good root. He's hurting. Double shots. Double Hachiman. Spray. Everybody pop a synth here. Pop a Zen. Spray. Hachiman's dropping. Dude, their healer is fucking insane right now. Like, this guy is so split from his team. Just kill him. He's dropping. He's hurting. Hurting big time. Give me area KD. You got area KD? Good last ditch. Pull off that corner a bit. Super Mag coming back in for traps. Hit Super Mag here. Super Mag. He's snared out in the open. Hit Super Mag. He's going in for traps. Spray. I'm giving it. He'll rock. My target right here. Frisk contour, my target. Bulldog. Yeah, he probably fainted. Super Mag, swap Super Mag right here. Give me a KD on Super Mag. Area KD going out. Fucking miss, sick. Kill him through shields. Double him. Nice. Crooks, get that click. Double crooks. Good. Push them. Scatter going out. Arwen. This is the momentum. We got it right here. Kill Arwen right here. He's faint. Push past him. Leave him behind. His team's gonna leave him behind. Turn. Stay between him and his team. Alright. Just farm him, let them regroup. Just farm him here. Vesna is getting up. Vesna, my target. Remus, out in the open. Remus, out in the open. Hit my target. Remus, right here. Arwen, right here. Right here. Right here. Arwen. Give me a KD on him. No KD. All right. Come on, guys. Okay, there we go. He's snared. Good. Push. Big damage on Arwen. Frisk, right here. My target. Give me any sort of KD you got here. Any KD you got? Good KD. Insane? Vesna? No, Hachiman. Spray. Super mag coming in for trap. Super mag right here. Super mag. Oh, off that corner. Look for chat bubbles. My target right here. Vesna. Spray. Super mag right here. Super mag. KD him. He's trying to get in that down. Good. Double him. Or big game on him. Good. High yield me if you can. Spray. Celio, my target. Everybody press assist right now. Pop a synth, pop a waker, pop whatever defensives you need. Pull off that corner. Let's stabilize here. Let's spray. Asilo. Double Asilo. Spray. Good. Just get Lucifer up. We need a res. Get a res on Lucifer. Drag Lucifer, pull back. Drag Lucifer and follow. Around this corner. Get him up. Okay. Keep kiting. Alright, get Lucifer. Alright, you're good. Hold this corner right here. Super mag coming back in for traps. Super mag, right target right here. Super mag. Just keep keep S keying. Get away from him. Good. You can root him here. Gonna pop a scatter for you, Bensu, so you can get out of that. Vesna, right here. Vesna. Frisk. No, Arwen. My apologies. Arwen, my target right here. Stay on Arwen. Area KD going out now. Area KD out now. Big damage on Arwen. Turn this corner slightly. Give me, I got SFP, give me high yield if you got it. Arwen. Give me a KD on Arwen if you got it. Turn this corner. Hard W here, boys. Hard W. Turn. Net trap. Kill this net. Don't push up. Destroy this net on me and we pull back. Give me a run. Any run you got. Pull off. Pull back. Back. My target right here. Hachiman, my target. Spray. Spray. Keep Lucifer up. Yep, pull back, boys. Pull back. Super mag right here. Yep. Good route. Hit super mag here. Crooks is overcommitting. Punish Crooks for this. Some big damage on him. Spray. Super mag right now. Super mag. Ready, make sure you're spraying. Bulldog right here. Bulldog. Yeah. Press right here. Be careful, don't push up too far. Super mag coming in. Vesna right here, my target. Vesna. SFP, give me a high yield if you got it. Super mag right here, my target. Don't push up super far. They've got a net right there. They got a net on that corner. Return. My charge, turn. We go opposite. We go opposite of them. Don't leave rock behind. Don't leave rock behind. Crooks right here. They're pushing rock. Big game on Crooks right here. Crooks. Stay on. Gonna give us the area KD here. Big area KD. Yep, I'm trying to keep this for up. Ugh, fucking Christ. Pull back. Yep. Suppressing kite. Remus. Give me Remus right here. Remus. You're on Jagged right here. Get you toughened. Keep Jagged up. Spray. Yep. Every single person here needs to spray. Pop a run. Turn this corner. Pull back. Keep pulling back. Yep. My target. Hachiman, my target. Right here. Is Rev here? He is. Yep, fight. Everybody turn, push now. Everybody turn and push. Turn and push. Push them hard. No fear, we push. They clove Tachiman. Arwen. Super Mag's trying to net. Go Super Mag right here. Hit Super Mag. Don't push up super far. Kill the nets first. Spray. Go around the net. Go wide here. Crooks, my target. Crooks, spray. Bulldog. Spray. Hang back, boys. Guys, turn around. We've got people netted back here. Push up. Give us a run if you got one, Betsy. Good. Turn the other way. They've got nets. Dude, with the nets, I'm about to just fucking say, let's all just play Ranger. Or let's all just play Trapper, dude, at this point. Chris, contour, my target. SFP. Oh my gosh, they're trying to pull us through the nets. Cilio right here. Cilio. My target right here. Go wide at this. Arwen right here. Big space. Come this way. Chat bubbles. Look for chat bubbles. Spray. Got it. Super mag, my target. Gonna give us a charge here. Next bubble.
GG, fellas.
I think they did. I think they just farmed ED. Unfortunately.
I hate to say it, but
yeah, that's why I hate to make people sit, but sometimes I'd rather just say, like, let's just play fives. Or not fives, I mean eights. Because it's just rough, man, playing with like these tiny ass groups. Like, we need bigger groups so badly. Yeah, actually. GG's, fellas.